Good morning everyone, I'm Yancy Rimando. I'm here at Don Sur, Sorsogon. I want to see the whale shark. Do you want to see a whale shark? Let's go. Now, first, I'm go to the sea over there. This is my guide. And my auntie over there. Now, before the get the boat, it's almost 5,000. And one people is 100 pesos. And foreigners 300. Okay, let's go. Do you want to see a wild shark? Let's go. Look at the butanting.
Wala, hindi ko makuha ko.
Very big.
Sige po, bababa tayo mamaya. Sir, ready po kayo.
Now I'm ready to swim. They're very big wild shark over there. Let's go. Medyo mahirap hanapin
Kita mo.
I'm sorry, I'm not the sea picture the butanting because before jump the sea or boat, I'm drink the water, sea water, and very fast the swim the butanting. Then my camera is not see that. Okay, thank you very much.